As you can see, obviously it's not starting. So one way you can test to see if it's the starter, you're gonna go into the car or through the hood, wherever it's at. All right. You're gonna find your starter. In our case, ours is right here. Now I'm gonna have Dylan go in there and try and start it while I tap like this on a solenoid with something metal. So I'm gonna tap this. And you see it fired right up. That's a fantastic way to test if your starter's bad. Works a lot of times.